Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, I'm gonna give you the top 3 oversold stocks for this upcoming week. Now, if you checked out my last time I did this video, we went over Walmart, bam, would've made money off of that. We went over Verizon, bam, would've made money off of that. And then we went over Bank of America, bam, look at the charts. We would have made money off of that. I'm gonna go over them charts again. I'm gonna give you the top 3 oversold stocks again in this video. But make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It helps out this channel more than you can even imagine. But I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I find these top 3 stocks step by step. And then we're gonna do a market analysis again on the last 3 that I told you about. Just so I can show you guys how it played out. And then I'm gonna do a market analysis over the new 3 oversold stocks that I'm gonna give you guys in this video. So make sure that you stick all the way through the end, because on one of these stocks it's looking like I might do an option play, and you might wanna stay tuned for that on the market analysis over that one. But before we dive into it, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 4 free stocks valued up to $1,600 each. With those 4 free stocks, you could keep them inside the platform and decide to use it, or you can sell your 4 free stocks and withdraw all of your money. It's literally free money. Also, if you want to grab some Bitcoin, Coinbase link is down in the description. That is by far the easiest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are on my Webull account. I'm sitting around $20,628. Bitcoin is doing pretty good. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I find these stocks. I'm going to do it quickly this time. The last time I showed you guys step by step and explained it to you, but I'm just going to do it quickly in this video. You want to click more, and then you go all the way down to where it says screeners. You want to click on screeners. Now, we already have our settings saved from the last video. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on these awesome videos, guys. We already have it saved, but just so I can show all you new subscribers, I'm going to do it again. You want to create a new screener. This is just going to be a quick one. Market cap, anything above $500 million. So that's going to be 0.5. And when it comes to the billions, all the way up to the top. All right, so on the financial indicator, we're gonna skip that one. We did our dividend one on the other video, but we're gonna click on RSI 16 oversold. That means that these companies are being sold off and they are at a great value at the time. They're being sold off more than they've been bought. That means the price has been pulling back and it's a little bit oversold. That means we could be getting in at a great price. That's what oversold mean. We have 61 results. Click view results. And then I like to sort it out by market cap to put the big cap companies at the top. All right, guys, so here we go. These are the list, the 61 stocks that are oversold. They have over a $500 million market cap. We do over $500 million because we don't like to look at penny stocks. We're not long-term investors on penny stocks. We want to invest into good quality companies. So the first one we're gonna look at is UNH, United Health. I like that one. Let's scroll down a little bit to another one that I would actually invest into. Dollar General right here, DG. That one is also oversold with a $47 billion market cap. We're gonna look at Dollar General. And then the last one we're gonna look at right there is Clorox at $191. I absolutely love Clorox. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go over and do the market analysis over on TradingView. We're gonna pull out the Fibonacci sequence, and then we're gonna see which one of these stocks that I'm looking at to do an option trade on to try to collect some of that good money. If we do this technical analysis correctly, this could make me a lot of money in this on this swing trade that I'm setting up. So let's go ahead and dive into this market analysis right quick. All right, dreamers, here we are on my TradingView setup. Now, this is Walmart. This is what we had set up last week. I said that if it comes back to the golden zone, it dipped right inside the golden zone. The MACD had crossed over. Everything was looking good. The RSI was so oversold. So I pulled back from here all the way down to the golden zone, right where I thought it was gonna go. And then it had a good correction right here. It touched the golden zone. The MACD cross, and it shot all the way back up. Now it's at the top of the RSI, and it's looking like it's testing the 180-day EMA as the new resistance line. We'll have to do a whole nother video on the update on Walmart, Bank of America, and Verizon. But right now, this is where Walmart was. I said that if it pulled back, this might be a good buying opportunity right there. It stayed true. So that's banger number one. The next one is Bank of America. Bam, let's zoom in on this one as well. We put out the Fibonacci sequence. Now we had just did a quick simple analysis on this one. We had drew the lines, the Fibonacci sequence is out. It came all the way down to the golden zone. The RSI was oversold. The MACD had crossed, and right when it hit the golden zone, it shot up. It passed the 180-day EMA, and it's looking like it's on its way back up, testing the top of the channel that we had drew out in that video. So Bank of America, bam, that's banger number two. Let's go over to the last one, Verizon. Now, when we had did the video on Verizon was already in the golden zone. I said, I might hold off on Verizon until we come all the way back down here. When we're looking at the MACD did not cross yet. I said a good opportunity. You might want to wait until the MACD actually crossed. So it did pull back. It pulled back all the way down to the 618. It pulled back some more. But finally, when the MACD crossed right around right there, once the MACD crossed, it looked like it went from the bottom of the 618 and it's pulling back up all the way to the 50 to the golden zone, and the MACD is still pointing up, but it's nearing the top of the RSI. So that's the play on that. So Walmart was a banger. Bank of America was a banger. We knew Verizon was going to pull back some more. Verizon did pull back, and now now that the MACD had crossed over, that would have been a good opportunity to get in. So now it's time to look at the top 3 oversold stocks from this week. So the first one we're going to look at is UNH. Here we go. We got our blank chart. We're on the 1 hour chart. That means, let's zoom in. That means every bar on here represents 1 hour of the trading day. So that's 1 hour of the trading day. That's 1 hour of the trading day. That's 1 hour of the trading day. So this is the 1 hour chart. I like to look at the 1 hour chart or the 4 hour chart when it comes to swing trades. Right here it's in a uptrend pattern. Let's see if it's had broke out of the uptrend and see where we could be. But first we're gonna pull out the Fibonacci sequence. We want to start it all the way from the bottom and then draw it up to the top. So bam, as you guys can see, clear as day, it has a double top. So let's pull out the rectangle tool. It has a double top right here. Bam. So that is clear. That is a clear resistance zone for United Healthcare. What I mean by double top is bam, it came up there, touched once, bam, it came up there, touched again, almost at the exact same line. That's what I mean by double top. It double topped out at $367, all right? So that is a double top. Now when we're looking at Bank of America, let's draw some uptrend lines. So it's not in the golden zone. It's not in the golden zone. In fact, the RSI is oversold, but the MACD is looking like it might want to cross over soon, but it's not in the golden zone. So let's draw out some trend lines right quick. We're gonna pull out the trend line. We want to touch as many lines as we can as possible. All right, so here's the uptrend channel. Touch right there once, touch right there twice. Now it did look like it's breaking this uptrend line right here. It broke the uptrend line, so it could have the opportunity to still pull all the way back to the golden zone around $299, $298. So that is the bottom of the uptrend channel. Let's draw the top part right here. So that is the top of the uptrend channel. So if it breaks down and stays below this uptrend channel, it could pull all the way back to the golden zone. If you get in and want to take this for a swing trade from the 295, 299, all the way back up to the old resistance zone of 366, or it could use the EMA as the resistance, or it could use this bottom uptrend line as the new resistance. So you have to keep your eye on this. It's not just buy and forget. This you have to keep your eye on to see how these charts are playing out. So this is United Health Group. It's okay. It's not the best setup. So let's go over to Dollar General. It is oversold though. I give them that. All right. So here's Dollar General. First thing first, let's pull out the Fibonacci all the way from the bottom to the top. All right. So we got a consolidation zone, and then we got a resistance zone. So let's draw both of those right quick. All right, resistance area right there, and then we got a little consolidation area right in here. A lot of price, a lot of sideways trading right here, right there, right there, right here, and right here. So we're gonna use those two areas as like little consolidations, resistance zones right there. All right, so now when we're looking at the MACD right here, it's looking like it want to cross back down. It crossed up right here, but it's looking like it want to cross back down. So I will wait until the MACD crosses all the way back down, goes back into the red, and let Dollar General pull back some more until they get inside the golden zone. Once it's back inside the golden zone, we'll look at the RSI again, and then we'll look at the MACD to see when is a good buying opportunity, because this area right here is also a consolidation area right in here. All of this sideways trading right there. So anywhere in here might be a good time to get in. Of course, the golden zone is a perfect time to get in. So we still got some time on Dollar General. It is oversold, but the MACD is looking like it want to cross back over, cross back down, back into the red, and we could be due for a pullback over the next week or so back into the golden zone. So that's Dollar General. Right now, we really haven't found anything that I will buy yet. So let's look at Clorox and see how does that treat us. All right, so here we are on Clorox, and this is the setup I am looking for right here. Look at this. Here we go, baby. All right, so Fibonacci sequence all the way from the bottom. Oh, no, that's not it. All right, so Fibonacci sequence all the way from the bottom to the top. Bam, right there. Right there, not the top of this, but to the top of the run. It's been, everyone knows Clorox has been killing it since the pandemic, so I would not mind picking up more Clorox. Now, Clorox had a big run up right here. They had the dividends, and then they had an earnings call. After the earnings call, they beat expectations on the earnings call. That's good. Clorox is a great company. That's good. Clorox is a multi-billion-dollar market cap. That's good. I use their products. That's good. So I'm not afraid of investing into Clorox, being a long-term investor into Clorox, and they pay dividends. Let's say they just paid a dividend of $1.11. Amazing. So here we go right here. This is Clorox. Of course, this is a downtrend little flag pattern right here. All right, bam. Might want to use that. So we're going to use the Fibonacci, this, and let's draw one more line. All right, so here we go. We drew this out, touches, and then it touches a bunch of times right there. Came back, got rejected, broke above due to the dividends, and pulled back, and now it's back below the uptrend channel, and it's looking like it's pulling back to the 618, and it's also looking like the MACD is about ready to cross over. So it's in the 618, a great buying opportunity for me. It's almost back inside the golden zone, which is another almost perfect opportunity for me. The RSI is oversold, and it's Clorox, which is an amazing company. People are gonna have to re-up soon due to you gotta clean your car, gotta clean your schools, you gotta clean your buildings, and you gotta disinfect your hands and disinfect your house. The virus hasn't gone anywhere, so Clorox is still an amazing company. I expect them to beat earnings again. Let's see, did they beat earnings right here, they beat earnings right there, they beat earnings right here, and their next earnings is coming up in May. I expect them to beat earnings again. So this might be the perfect setup for a good swing trade. Even if we get it down here in the 618 and it ends up anywhere in this channel over the next couple of weeks, over the next couple of months, this might be the great setup. Clorox is looking pretty good, guys. So that is our setup. We got United Healthcare, we got Dollar General, and we got Clorox. All right, dreamers, we did the market analysis. The one that I'm absolutely loving, that I already have inside of my portfolio, is CLX Clorox. They make a ton of different products other than just cleaning products. Clorox has been killing it for me. I'm actually up 6% already on Clorox. Even though they had a 8% pullback on the week, I am still up on Clorox. I have 2.2 shares, and I'm looking to maybe do a swing trade on this. So if we're looking at it over the last week, they're down 8%. Over the last month, they're down 3%, and that with this big spike up right here, and they had a big old pullback, is looking like I could get in on a swing trade and try to ride this thing on up, because of course over the last year they're up still 15% after this big run up right here of 42%. Now, the couple of options that I'm looking at, you want to hit trade options. I'm going to go out a couple of weeks because this is a swing trade, probably March 5th, and I'll be looking at to buy a call at around $200, maybe $205 on Clorox. But if you want to know exactly when I buy Clorox and what strike price I pick, make sure that you click the link down in the comment section. That is access to the Patreon and the Discord. I drop every time I buy and sell stocks over there on the Patreon and inside the Discord. So if you want to keep up to date on this play that I'm probably gonna make sure that you click that link down there to the Patreon and get in while you can. So there we go, dreamers, that's all it is. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite. Did you get in on the other 3 plays from the previous week, or are you gonna get in on any of these upcoming plays from this week? So you got 3 stocks to pick from, 3 stocks from this week or the 3 stocks from last week. Did you get in? Are you gonna get in? Just let me know down there in the comment section. If you see any other oversold stocks that I just completely missed out on, that is a great value, drop that down in the comment section as well. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.